Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Disable participant annotation while screen sharing in a meeting. In the Screen Share menu at the top of your meeting screen, click the More button. Select the Disable Attendee Annotation option from the drop-down menu.
Take our lead.
Annotation allows you to draw on a shared screen, and whiteboard allows you to write on a blank screen everyone can see. To annotate, select the Annotate tool while sharing your screen. This option will bring up a new toolbar with a variety of ways to doodle on your screen.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Who is writing on my presentation? Help. Access the shared screen, More menu. Choose Disable Participants Annotations. Optionally, choose Show Names of Annotators to identify the artist. The name appears when you move the cursor over the drawing.
Let's help you make your mark.
Android. Tap Share in the meeting controls. Tap Share Whiteboard. Tap the pen icon to open the annotation tools. When you are done, tap the pen icon to close the annotation tools and tap Stop Share. 5 days ago.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To know who is currently annotating in Zoom, you need to enable a setting for the same. Only the person who initiated the sharing process can enable the setting. After it is enabled, all the participants can see the name of the person who is drawing.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When someone shares their screen during a Zoom meeting, participants, and the person who shared their screen, are able to use the annotation tool to draw, make notes, etc. that overlay the shared screen image and is shared to all Zoom meeting participants.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.